Did you hear? Mary is in hot water at work.
In hot water? What do you mean? Is she okay?
It means she's in serious trouble. She forgot an important meeting.
Good afternoon. Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure, officer. Did I do something wrong?
You were driving a bit too fast in a school zone.
Oh, I didn't notice the sign. I'm really sorry.
It's important to slow down near schools. Safety first.
You are right. I'll be more careful next time.
Can I see your license and registration, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. I'll give you a warning this time. Drive safely.
Thank you, officer. I will.
You're soaked. What happened?
It's raining cats and dogs out there.
What? Cats and dogs? Falling from the sky?
No, I mean, it's raining really hard. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Alex. I have a degree in marketing, and I've worked as a social media manager for the past 2 years.
Why do you want to work with us?
I really admire your brand. I think I can bring fresh ideas and help grow your online presence.
What are your strengths?
I'm creative, a good communicator, and I work well under pressure.
Great. We'll get back to you soon.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.
I'm about to order all the equipment online.
Hold your horses. Let's compare prices first.
Hold what? What do you mean?
I mean, wait a moment or be patient.
Ever since, Mia became the team lead. We are all walking on eggshells.
Walking on eggshells? What does that mean?
It means we have to be extra careful. She takes everything personally.
Morning, Dr. James, you look totally wiped out.
Hey Sarah, yeah? Last night was intense. Barely got a minute to breathe.
ER shift, again.
Yep. For emergencies back to back. Did not even get a chance to eat.
Just coffee again.
Sadly. Yes. My stomach hates me right now.
You can't keep running like this. Come, let's grab breakfast after rounds.
You're a lifesaver. Real food sounds amazing.
All right then, finish rounds, then pancakes.
You read my mind.
Did you hear? Laura topped the class again.
Not surprised. She's been burning the midnight oil lately.
Burning what? What do you mean?
It means she's been studying late into the night. Hard work paid off.
Hello, front desk. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm in room 308. The AC isn't working properly.
I'm sorry about that. Is it not turning on, or just not cooling?
It's on, but the room is still warm.
Understood. I'll send maintenance right away.
Thanks. Also, could I get a cup of tea?
Of course. 1 cup of tea, and maintenance on the way.
Really appreciate it.
Always happy to help.
Are you joining the movie night?
Either I'll come late, either I'll skip it.
Do not say like this. It's wrong. Instead say, either I'll come late, or I'll skip it. Wow, this place is beautiful, so quiet.
Told you, village life hits different, right?
Totally. Look at those fields and the fresh air.
Wait till tonight, the sky here is full of stars.
I already feel so calm. No traffic, no noise, just peace.
And homemade food, Auntie's making fresh bread and butter.
I'm never leaving.
Same, let's stay forever.
Learn English with Anu and Fatih.
आप कैसे हैं?
How are you?
क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं?
Can you help me?
आज बहुत गर्मी है.
It's too hot today.
फिक्र ना करें.
Don't worry.
मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है.
I'm starving.